After having provided some introduction, in this second part, we will review the tutorial objectives and the material needed to perform the tutorial. So let's get started. The objective of this tutorial is to learn how to perform the following basic tasks. In part 1, we will learn how to download and install the Micrometa app. In part 2, we will learn how to open and inspect an example Microscope JSON file, and then we will learn how to create a Microscope JSON file from scratch. Finally, in part 3, we will open and inspect an example settings JSON file, and then we will learn how to add a new channel to the existing file. In order for you to perform this tutorial together with me, you will need some material and some instructions. These material and instructions are described in details in the protocol I/O, which is linked here and in the video description below. In this protocol I/O, you will find information about how to install the Micrometa app and about where to download example microscope settings and raw image files for the tutorial. I also want to remind you that if you need help, you can always contact myself or Alex Rigano, and the emails are indicated here. Finally, I would like to remind you that we would love to have your feedback about your experience trying to use the Micrometa app so that we can improve it for further use. So let's get started with the hands-on Micrometa app tutorial.